Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to remove the watermark, the CapCut watermark from your CapCut app, or how to entirely eliminate the CapCut watermark from your videos. So let's take for example, we'll be using this video. So after importing this video, you'll notice that CapCut used to put a watermark at the ending of the video, which can be deleted or removed by you manually, but that's how you can eliminate this automatically without it appearing at all at the end of any of your video. So what you have to do is just to exit from here, you go to your settings, add default ending, you untick it, you click on the discharge, that is it. So let's import a new clip. You see it's not appearing at the end of the video. So if you find this video helpful, please do it to like, hit the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.